Ramadan is a time of reflection, renewal, and connection. It's a month where millions around the world come together to fast, pray, and seek spiritual growth. But for some, this holy month can also be a time of deep struggle. Feelings of loneliness, despair, or hopelessness can feel overwhelming, especially during such a spiritually significant time. Today, we want to talk about an important but often overlooked topic: suicide prevention during Ramadan, and how this sacred month can be a source of hope and healing for those in need. Life's challenges can sometimes feel insurmountable. For those battling suicidal thoughts, the weight of those struggles can feel even heavier during Ramadan. The pressure to be spiritually uplifted, combined with personal pain, can create a sense of isolation. But here's the truth: Ramadan is not about perfection. It's about connection with Allah, with ourselves, and with each other. Community support is one of the most powerful tools we have to foster hope. During Ramadan, the sense of togetherness is amplified. From shared iftar meals to nightly Taraweeh prayers, this month reminds us that we are never truly alone. If you're struggling, reach out, talk to a friend, a family member, or a trusted community leader. Let them know how you're feeling. And if you're on the other side, if someone confides in you, listen without judgment. Your kindness could be the lifeline they need. Ramadan is also a time for self-care and reflection. The act of fasting teaches us patience and resilience, but it's equally important to nurture our mental and emotional well-being. Take time to reflect on your feelings, journal, meditate, or simply sit in quiet contemplation. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness. It's an act of strength. Whether it's through counseling, therapy, or speaking with a spiritual guide, there are resources available to support you. To anyone who's struggling, please know that you are valued, you are loved, and you are never alone. Ramadan is a time of renewal, and with the support of your community and the strength within you, there is always hope. Let's make this Ramadan a month of healing, connection, and compassion for everyone.